Okay, this is the Core 1 assignment. My name is Kyle Nelson, and my UIN number is 830-001-436. The general topic will be sex appeal and advertisement. Sex appeal is a commonly used tactic in society that's used to attract people to a certain product. This tactic tends to catch the eye of viewers and hopefully leads them to eventually buy the product. The article that I chose describes the different ways in which sex appeal in ads is employed and what subtleties they use. So for my empirical article, I chose Sex Appeal in Advertising by David Richman and Timothy P. Hartman. Here's the reference right here. And the introduction. The article presents an experiment of whether or not sex appeal is actually useful when it comes to advertising. It also explores the appropriate time and/or place for this kind of advertising. So the hypothesis. The article categorizes sex appeal in 5 different dimensions: functional, fantasy, symbolism, inappropriate, and male/female orientation. The hypothesis is that these dimensions are the key to effectively catching the attention of the viewers. The method that they used, that was used to test the hypothesis, was an experiment where they took 50 adults from various different backgrounds and asked them questions regarding several different ads. These questions covered things such as offensive or unoffensive and practical or impractical. These related to the dimensions like inappropriate and functional. They then had to had the subjects choose the top 2 ads for each dimension and based all ads on a scale from 1 to 10 on how effective they were. The results, they found that the subjects could easily categorize the advertisements according to 5 dimensions mentioned previously. The subjects were able to recall all the ads and label them accordingly. In conclusion, they found that sex appeal is a very effective tactic for advertising, and when used appropriately, it can be useful for widening the market of a certain product. And here's the advertisement that I chose, and you can obviously see how that's very sex appeal. The ad shown is for a Burger King sandwich called the BK Super 7-incher. The ad has a woman who's obviously in awe or ready to eat the sandwich, and you can immediately see what's inappropriate with this. The ad has several statements, such as, "It'll blow your mind away," and, the BK Super 7-incher. The woman is attractive and has nice makeup, and it's obviously a form of a statement. First off, the ad is obviously giving off a very inappropriate and sexualized message. It's promoting the idea that a certain size is desirable for men, and that attractive women will like that. The ad also has many suggestive statements, like, "It'll blow your mind away," "It just tastes better, BK Super 7-incher," and stuff like that. It sends a message to men that women will find something like this more attractive, and this may not be the best method of advertising because it can hurt a lot of men's self-esteem. I can definitely see how this ad can be both effective and ineffective because of how touchy our society is nowadays. With that being said, this is a very bold ad, and it isn't hard to see how it is sexualized. So how this ad could be changed to prove the hypothesis. The ad could be changed to test whether or not sex appeal works in this ad by removing the woman while also leaving everything else. If there's no longer the appeal of the woman and awe of the size, then there should be a drop in sales. If sex appeal played no role, then hypothetically there should be no change in sales. So that is my presentation for Core 1.